Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be showing you quickly how I go from my dull midweek twist out to nice spiral looking curls. This is going to just incorporate the 3 steps that I used in a previous video to show you how I get my twist done, and just add one additional step to that by doing a Bantu knot. So right now I had my hair pinned up. I am going to grease my scalp with some oil. I have a combination of oil in this applicator bottle that I will just simply get through my scalp. And this is all that I do to combat the dry scalp that I have. Once again, section my hair and using a clip, I will clip the rest of the hair out of the way. Using the methods that I've shown you before, I will spray a little bit of water on my hair and add some twisting cream. And I try to do this very quickly. And once the twist is finished, I will put my hand to the root and I will spin my hair around the base of the twist into a Bantu knot. So there you have it. That's all I do. And I will do this throughout my entire hair. So here you can see I have completed my hair. I simply oiled my scalp to prevent drying and itching, and that's all there is to it. A Bantu knot. Hello and welcome back. So it is the next day and I am about to take my Bantu knots out, so you can see how I get nice spiral curls. I grab from the root and I simply pull upwards. You can do this as many times as you want to create the number of curls you want to have. And there you have it. Once again, yet another easy style to wear later on in the week. I did nothing else but to touch up my hair by twisting it over and then spinning it around in a Bantu knot. And there you have it. Once again, Another easy style for you to rock your curls. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell so that you get notifications when I have uploaded a new video, and also share with your friends so that they can see some really cool tips on how they can maintain their hair. Once again, thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Bye.